Good morning. What's up, people? We're about to make a tutorial for video editing. Here's my friend Carl. He's about to tell you what's in video editing. Carl?
There is particular application we want to suggest like Capcut. Dave?
In these apps, there's 10 tools you can use for video editing. First is edit. This edit have 8 parts. Ken?
Split. Splitting a scene apart. And the second one, speed. You can have a slow motion part of a video or you can speed it up. Carl?
Volume part is just same as speed because you can add up a volume in same parts and lower. Animation, you can have a transition about your video. Ken?
Delete. Basically, deleting wrong edits or not needed in your storage. Dave?
Lastly, effects. You can put special lightings, filters, and just be creative with it.